Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss 10 proven side hustles that can help you make extra money in the UK. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or save up for a special occasion, these ideas can help you achieve your financial goals. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Freelancing. With the rise of the gig economy, there are plenty of opportunities to offer your skills and services online. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and People Per Hour connect freelancers with clients in need of various services, such as graphic design, writing, programming, and more. Just create a profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects that interest you. Number 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor. Websites like Tutorful and MyTutor connect tutors with students in need of help. You can set your own rates and schedule, making it a flexible option for making extra money. Number 3. Selling handmade products. Do you have a creative flair? Selling handmade products on platforms like Etsy or Not on the High Street can be a great way to earn extra income. From handmade jewelry to custom artwork, there's a market for unique, high-quality items. Just make sure to factor in the cost of materials and shipping when pricing your products. Number 4. Renting out your property. If you have a spare room or an unused property, consider renting it out on platforms like Airbnb or Spare Room. This can be a lucrative way to make extra money, especially if you live in a popular tourist destination or a city with high demand for short-term rentals. Just be sure to check local regulations and obtain any necessary permits. Number 5. Participating in online surveys. Another option for making extra money is participating in online surveys. Websites like YouGov, Prolific, and Survey Junkie offer paid surveys on a variety of topics. While you won't get rich from taking surveys, it can be a simple way to earn a little extra cash in your spare time. Number 6. Selling items on eBay or Depop. Do you have items lying around that you no longer need? Selling them on platforms like eBay or Depop can help you declutter and make some extra money. From clothing to electronics, there's a market for almost anything. Just make sure to take clear photos, write accurate descriptions, and price your items competitively. Number 7. Dog walking or pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, consider offering dog walking or pet sitting services. Websites like Rover and Tailster connect pet owners with local pet care providers. This can be a fun and rewarding way to make extra money while getting some fresh air and exercise. Number 8. Driving for a rideshare service. If you have a car and some spare time, driving for a rideshare service like Uber or Bolt can be a flexible way to earn extra income. Just make sure you meet the requirements, such as having a valid driver's license, insurance, and a clean driving record. Keep in mind that you'll need to factor in expenses like fuel and vehicle maintenance. Number 9. Participating in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or social media following, you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates or Awin and start earning money by recommending products you love. Number 10. Offering local services. Finally, consider offering local services like gardening, cleaning, or handyman work. You can advertise your services on websites like Gumtree or through local Facebook groups. This can be a great way to make extra money while helping your community. Number 11. Mystery shopping. Another interesting way to make extra money is by becoming a mystery shopper. Companies like MarketForce and ProInsight hire mystery shoppers to visit stores, restaurants, and other businesses to evaluate customer service, product quality, and overall experience. You'll be paid for your time and may even receive free products or services as part of the assignment. Number 12. Participating in focus groups. You can also earn extra cash by participating in focus groups. Market research companies like Respondent and User Tribe recruit participants to share their opinions on products, services, or advertising campaigns. These sessions can be conducted in person or online and typically pay well for just a few hours of your time.
Number 13. Teaching a skill or offering workshops. If you have a particular skill or talent, consider teaching others through workshops or classes. You can offer in-person sessions or create online courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare. From cooking to photography, there's a demand for learning new skills, and sharing your expertise can be a rewarding way to make extra money. Number 14. Flipping items for profit. Buying items at a low price and reselling them for a profit, also known as flipping, can be a lucrative side hustle. You can find items at thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces and sell them on platforms like eBay or Facebook Marketplace. With a keen eye for valuable items and some negotiation skills, you can turn this into a profitable venture! Number 15. Creating and selling digital products. Lastly, consider creating and selling digital products, such as ebooks, printables, or stock photos. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Adobe Stock allow you to sell your digital creations to a global audience. This can be a passive income stream, as you create the product once and can sell it multiple times without any additional effort. So there you have it, 15 ways to make extra money in the UK. Remember, the key to success is finding a side hustle that suits your skills and interests. Don't be afraid to try different options and see what works best for you. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on making money and improving your financial situation. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your side hustle journey. Before you go, don't forget to check out our other videos on personal finance and more, and if you're looking for more in-depth information on any of the side hustles we mentioned, we've got you covered with detailed guides and resources. Just leave us a message in the comments section below. See you in the next video.